past tense. Okay. For example, eat, ate, drink, drank. You understand, right? Okay. So, two teams. So, from Mr. V to Hai Yến, it's gonna be team O. Okay. And from Hồng Nhung Chloe until Mr. Gong, it's gonna be team X. Okay, I'm gonna give you one word, okay, and then you're gonna change it into past tense. Verb 2, we say verb 2, okay? And then you make a sentence with that word, okay? And if you answer correctly, your team is gonna have one X or one O in this table. Understand?
Yes.
Now let's start with Mr. Kong. You're giving X, right? I'm gonna give you one to do. Don't say anything, okay? For example, this one. Let me think of some difficult words. Okay, easy for you. Okay, eat. For example, eat. Now, tell me what is verb.
Two.
I'm gonna write out. Okay. Wait. Just a second. Write, drive, do. What else? Go, take, learn, and give me one more word. Read. Okay. Now, what words do you choose with the golf? Choose one word.
I choose do.
Do. Okay. What is the past tense of do? Did. Okay. And make a sentence.
I did my homework last night.
Are you sure? Okay. So you're gonna have one
Liar.
X. Now, your team, Mr. Huy, your team right now, team O, right? You choose one word.
Take.
Take. So what is the verb 2 of?
Took.
Okay, it's gonna be took. Make a sentence. I took my girlfriend to the hotel last night. Sorry.
I wish.
So,
I took care of my children last night.
really? Okay, so you have one O. Okay, now Miss Hiền, my lover, tell me what word do you choose?
Eat.
Eat. Okay, what is the second like the verb or the past tense of eat?
Ate.
Ate. Okay, make a sentence.
I ate ice cream last night.
Oh, you ate ice cream. Okay, but you didn't invite me. I don't know it. Okay. Oh yeah, and now your team. You go.
Green.
Huh?
Green.
Oh yeah, you have to say it. What is the?
Red.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is the color red?
Yes. No, the word is R-E-D, but the pronunciation is red.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good student. Okay. So make a sentence.
Red.
I read the lesson planning last night.
Okay. Oh. And now, your team. Let's go. Oh. Okay. Let's say. Okay, Ian. Let's go.
I choose the word drink.
You know, she gets no. So it's okay. What is the verb?
The best butter.
Drink. Verb 2 is drank. Okay. Make a sentence.
I drank Coke last night.
Okay. But you are stupid, you know. And now your team is gonna be the winner. Let's say Ngọc Quỳnh. Learn. So what is the verb 2 of learn? Learn. It could be learned, or it could be learn. Say both correct.
Both correct. Yes.
Both are correct. Believe me. Huh? It's make a sentence.